right, folks, it is almost noon Eastern Standard Time on the 14th of September 2021. And the only thing I don't like about this, I'm looking to buy it right above this high right here. If it has enough juice, it'll probably go on up. If not, it won't. But everything's looking good on the buy side, meaning everything's crossed over as a bullish sentiment. This is the slow stochastic, and it crossed the 50% line. So did the RSI. MACD crossed way back here. But the only thing that I don't like is this cumulative delta is not up in this area where I would like to see it up above there. But I've got a 5-point stop. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. So we will see. Let's see here. Yeah, if I get filled, I'll come back check in with you. Okay, so I just got filled, and like I said, the delta is not moving up, well, it's moving up, but it should be up in here somewhere. So that is just kind of the sign not to take that, I think. I may be wrong. It may push on up. Yeah, it's not doing too bad. I moved my sell order down to 83. Instead of the 4 points, if I can just get 10 points out of it, I will try to do that. In fact, I'm going to move my stop up. Once it goes up $100, I like to move it up to break even. Okay. Well, we'll see here. I was going to push up a little bit, but not quite. Yeah, it looks like I'm going to get dinged. Yeah. Pull it down and break even just a point above. That way gives a little more room. So, no harm, no foul, I guess, today. But let's see if it'll keep going up here. Like I said, well, the delta's going up on the 5-minute. It's starting to get back up in that area. And it's gone positive again. Here is the range chart. Yeah, it's looking, maybe I should have just stayed in there, but held my stop where it was. But anyway, I'm still, once I get $100 profit, I like to move my stop, because usually if it comes back at that point, it usually will knock you out. If it'll keep on going down. So that's just my experience, and today it didn't happen. But I'll come back and recap in a bit. So what I noticed is I was too late on the trigger. I was trying to move my stop down to where I got in, or just above where I got in, and I didn't get it down there quick enough. And if I'd originally put it in, I actually got filled at 72.50, and it came down as low as 73.25, I believe. Let me check real quick here. So that's just another thing of trading, folks. It's just, these things happen. Yeah, it came down as low as 73.25, and I would have been fine if I'd gotten it in there where I wanted it at 72. Well, one tick above 72.75. So, well, I lost out on $200, but that's the way it goes. And really, if you just hang in there right at this point, it could go on up for the full 300 or 400 points, but it didn't happen. And I made $30 for the day. Yeah, not that great, but it's better than losing. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. Like I think I mentioned earlier, I did not take or I didn't even have my order in. I was gone this morning, so I did not even have an order in to go above the first 5-minute candle, which was right here. It was kind of bumpy anyway. So what I was doing, I waited for 4, a 1, 2, 3. This one was not ready yet because of the over here. I wanted that uh, the slow stochastic to be crossing the 50% line, and I had that red candle in there. So that's the whole reason I waited and took it after that move. So it's just give you a better risk reward or reward to risk ratio. I mean, your chances are better of not getting stopped out if you wait for that crossover. So that's what I found. I'm not saying it's gospel, but hey, nothing happens 100% in trading. So hope you had a good trading day. If you liked the video, please hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.